We have not done a package unboxing in a while, so we have one today, here, right there. Bet y'all can't guess where this is from. Anyway, we have already taken out 7 or 8 or 9, I don't even remember, C9100s mailbox locks, and Kim needed them, so now we are going to the RC 20 RCs. Here's my new smart key. At first I thought this was a black cylinder, but it's actually, it's black, it's not red anymore. But check out the tool. Now I'm still gonna get the better resetter because I've seen those before and I'm curious about them, but Acme did not have the better resetter. Actually, I didn't ask about that. They may have had it, I just forgot to ask. But check out the, ooh, there's a pow, 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 ooh, pow. Anyway, yeah, same thing, just black instead of red now. Yeah, I've already used it. Actually, just had a customer walk in with the open box beside me with a smart key. A couple, 2 or 3 more of the Ford shells for our RW4, working out really well there. And let's see, doorknobs and deadbolts, just a couple. Oh, big fan. Boxes like that. Let's see, Master, which is not really a bad, I kind of like these as a, you know, ooh, cheap lock alternative. So try to keep at least a couple of each of something on hand. This particular instance, it's Wiser Keyway, dark bronze. I also in the truck have actual original Wiser. This gives people a choice of Wiser Keyway with a cheaper knob than the actual Wiser. And actually, I almost prefer this over some of the Wiser. So, in 2 double cylinder deadbolts, I already had 2 single cylinder deadbolts. So what this will do is give me 2 knobs, 2 singles, and 2 doubles to keep in the truck for when I'm on jobs. X50 B57. This is called an Isuzu blank, and I actually got a trucker company that's using these, and they needed a bunch more, so we have some. And the piece de resistance is, I know y'all are gonna love this one. Oh, 8345s. Yeah, we get to play with a bunch of padlocks, guys. Yay! Hey, and I'm actually really far behind. And key hiders. So that is it. Besides the C9100, like I said, Kim already pulled those out because she needed to ship a couple. And now we are going to play with padlocks. Let me go get all this debris out of the way. Random unboxing and stocking. Yay, we're gonna stock. 4. Oh, shoot. Always dropping shit. Somebody said that in another video. I'm always dropping shit. Yes, I'm always dropping shit. They've gone up 10 cents, y'all. And then one big one. Wait a minute. And then one big one, right in the center. Extra large. It's $1 more. And that goes in scrap metal. And I actually try to peel most of this off for the scrap metal guys so they don't get mad at me for garbage. Oh, we'll come back. Look, I dropped something else, y'all. Holy moly. Strong ass glue on this thing. Anyway, that's good enough. My recycle bin's getting crazy. Oh yeah, we gotta do these. First, we are going to get rid of these shells. How many did I get? I got 1, 2, 3 shells. And Kim made me aware of the fact that I gotta relabel. I gotta label this section because he is not really as hip to car keys and stuff. So since it doesn't say H84, she's been having trouble also differentiating the chip styles. So I got to kind of correct that, make it a little bit easier for her to find. And GM, actually it says Isuzu, and if I look in the Isuzu section right here, I don't actually have this key number in my very small Isuzu section, but a lot of Isuzus were GM keys as well for that type of truck. There's a few of them here, but as we can see, we've got, out of all of our GM keys, we've got a sole empty hook over here, and I was actually surprised we don't actually have that much of a call for these. But this dude runs a trucking company, and apparently he's got several trucks and needs several keys. So this is one of those cases of buy 10, sell 3 or 4 more, die with the rest. He who dies with the most toys, right? And lastly, I've got my key front. Sorry. RC. I just used, usually on these oddball keys, which RC is not oddball. We talked about trying to find the RC cylinder though. Yeah, on that job, I used up all my RCs. So, I gotta restart my RCs. And I typically only keep 20 to 30 of the odd keyways, which are, let's come over here so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah. 20 to 30, this is 20 in this instance. Because my hooks only hold 30, and as we've talked about before, I'm trying to minimize the back stock of keys. So, and typically, even on the medium-ish jobs, as long as I got 20 to 30, I'm good. I've got 22, looks like here. Wait. Here. Rotate so the shiny ones stay rotated. So like RA, it looks like I got, let's see, so that was 20 plus 2, so that's 22. Looks like I got 30 RAs here. Need to get some more 7-pins. RB, kind of low, the rest of them or whatever. RF, of course, not used. But on the LAs and the RAs, or especially the LAs, I keep 50 of, or more. It's got LA, special use LA. So, just extra hook when I need more. What do you mean, no?
No.
Kim,
No.
go do your work.
No.
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 She
No.
needs to find some
No.
stuff for YouTube.
No.
She's part of YouTube now, right, guys?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah, you are.
The
You're
occasional pop-ins and hey guys.
Hey, no, but listen, go do that thing that I told you to do. Go do that.
California?
I'm gonna point over here. I'm filming a video and Nathan across the street's filming a video. He does like restaurant and food stuff and like promoting the area. So that's Nathan, our restaurant owner who owns the restaurants in this building. Wait, over here he owns a restaurant here and here. He's doing a video like we're doing a video, right?
Sure.
So Kim.
So, Jason.
That's mine.
No, that's mine. Are you wearing my lipstick again? Are you?
Maybe.
It's not your color.
Music. What do you think, guys? She needs to pick out some new music for the channel.
We don't have the same taste in music.
Exactly.
And most of you guys don't like listening to the music.
Y'all may like her taste better than my taste in music.
I doubt that.
Anyway.
Love you guys. Mean it.
Under audio on YouTube, you
Congratulations.
just download the songs. Just go through them. Appreciate it.
No.
Hugs and kisses.
It's still not happening.
Love you muches. What were we doing? What the hell was I doing? Oh, second unboxing because I have not uploaded my first one yet. And I got another one coming in tomorrow. This one is, actually I got, I guess 2 coming in tomorrow. Oh, a bunch of padlocks. Y'all will love these. All right, let's get our, oh my gosh, it's an Acme order without invoices. That's crazy. This was actually a small add-on order. I don't even remember what. Oh, yeah. I tried ordering. They didn't have it, so I still had enough stuff to make an order. So I went ahead and just finished this order. And again, I ordered again today. So we got 2 packages coming in tomorrow. Quick Set Brass, 250 count. Have a couple more of the GTI chips. And again, this is a small order, so a couple of I just added these on because we needed them. A couple of the A701s and the A700s. I don't know what this is. Keys. What did I order? Keys. Oh, Baldwin keys. Ilco Baldwin keys. These are nickel silver, made in the USA. However, they just do not say Baldwin. Normally is right here. Just as good as original, except they just don't say Baldwin. People like the big pretty keys. And Baldwin are 3 times as expensive as these, so that's it. Not much of an order, right? Let's look at the padlocks. We love big, beautiful padlocks. Almost invariably, these always get rekeyed, so I always order keyed different. So almost always they're going to be rekeyed anyway, so there's no point paying extra for key to like. And also key to like has certain numbers, so 1 or 2 distributors, let's say 1 distributor, these are fairly expensive. You get them key to like, that means everybody who orders from that distributor, ooh, there's a nice key. Everybody who orders from that distributor key to like padlocks are going to get the same key number, and that doesn't fly with me, so I always order key different, pick the best, coolest looking key, and if they need, you know, multiple padlocks, I'll key them to whatever the coolest looking key is. And saves me about $1, it's a little bit over $1, I think, to get them key to like. Of course, you have to rekey them, but that is just par for the core. And also, take these apart anyway to put the extra little blocker pin in. Yeah, hey, what's up? What?
You borrow like a little hacksaw or something. You got a little hacksaw that cut through like a little metal little thing.
So that is it for this one. I am, well, like I was saying before he came in, I take them apart anyway to add the extra security plate to keep that, you know, bypass tool from working as easily. And yep, I needed these for sure. And actually, in the other order, I ordered 2 or 3 of these. I'm trying to keep at least 4 or 5 of those chips now. So there we go. Small unboxing. We'll compile all 3 of these together. So I'm going to hold off on this one until tomorrow. And then we'll have a bunch of stuff then too. So we'll see you then. Okay, just got back to the shop and got a couple more boxes to undo. It is rainy and wet out there, and afternoon, and I've again been out on the road doing all that stuff that I talked about earlier, but we now have to finish this video with more freaking boxes. More freaking boxes. Okay, here we go. I know this will tickle y'all, but I gotta do the same thing that I did again. Oh, shit. Hold on, well, y'all just keep listening. Okay. Guess I didn't want to talk that bad. Yes, more Avis padlocks. Actually, this box I think is all padlocks. A few discus locks, some BP 400. That is one of the LSDA locks that we don't have up there. I actually had somebody looking for one of those the other day. What was that, 612? Missing one. 14 more Avis 8345s. Ooh, yay. More Avis Reiki. If you have not seen our Avis video, make sure and check it out right there. And even more C9100. It's kind of a repetitive, huh? So we need to... I'm leaving this. Kim gets to unbox all these. We're going to put this up here. These little BP 400s. This is, can you even see that? Zoom in. It is the 3rd one with the short shackle. Pretty much just a standard size padlock because we have the other sizes right there. So just filling in gaps there. Offered different sizes of more inexpensive padlocks for people that don't need the top security. They just want to keep prying eyes out. And I'll show you one. This one again is a good size. I got smaller and longer shackle ones for particular instances, but this is a good little all-around little dinky padlock size. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin. Could probably be shimmed, but again, this is just a low security option. Sometimes they need wider. If you look at our venerable #1 master, this little bitty padlock is actually just as wide, if not actually a little bit wider than the master. Of course, different shackle, probably not as hard. I wonder which one would win with a cut contest. But again, just a less expensive alternative. We have quite a few people come in just wanting a cheap little small lock for their luggage or any other various things like that, which is why we offer American Master and these. So that'll all get put up. This will get put up. And yeah, next box. Oh, I bet y'all can guess where this one's from. Yeah. Oh, okay, what have we got in here? More paper padding. And two of the, oh, I hate this. Hate that American is now, the American puck locks are now master. This is an American keyway. So sad. So sad. You cannot get an American branded puck now. So stupid. That is an AM3 key. And it's especially stupid when you want to sell them the 700s with that. So they get two masters and some 700 padlocks. Oh, and yay! I got my new door back set thing. Sirens. Never complete without sirens, right? So yeah, there's my back set marker. I think the last one I trimmed off. There's no point having it stick that far out. Uh-oh, they stopped up here. Let's go see what's going on out here.
Have a good weekend, honey bunny. Love you.
What's going on out here?
This man's so stupid. What you move, Jay?
You're in the way.
I think you tried to get on first.
Something's going on over here. It's an incident. Kim just ducked below the camera.
Oh, yeah.
I see medical gear. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, hope they're okay. Anyway. And where were we? Backside marker, yay! And 5B, not the 5B bottom pins, but the actual 5B keys that are needed. And what is this? Oh, drivers. Yes, drivers for these Master Pro Series. This is replacement driver pins. Y'all saw, I've got a customer with those, and those driver pins have to get replaced a lot. And look, a new flyer, a new tool guide, a Christmas tool guide. There better not be any you-know-what blurbs in here. Okay, well, that is it. I am not going to do, besides the stocking, I'm going to go hang these up over here. So, everything else is going out the door. All these padlocks, these are kid-alike, those are kid-alike. And so I have a bunch of padlock rekeying to do now. So we're just going to hang up these keys, put these in the nest. Actually, one goes in there because I had to steal one out. And yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. Okay. Don't need to rotate because those are literally brand new. We sell a lot to apartments all over the country. And when they order them, they order like 10 or 20 at a time. So we go through them like water. Let's come over here. And this B, the 5B, pretty much is the most common size key that we use in our interior door locks. It still has to be cut down, but it is the closest The most is closest one. But it still usually has to be cut down on each side and trimmed at the top. But these, in my opinion, these are the very best bit keys for US use. That would be the 5B. But make sure when you're ordering to specify the correct 5B. Otherwise, you might get a bunch of 5B bottom pins. Okay, that's enough of that. So, yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Actually, I'm going to take 4 back out to put in my mobile kit, which is sitting right there. Mobile kit of bit barrel keys. And that is it. So, yes, thanks for watching. I wonder, has this camera been screwy the whole time? Y'all got us a crooked video going. And, yeah, I've got to rekey some deadbolts for somebody. But right now, we're done. So if you have any questions or comments, as always.
Hi, guys.
You could at least finish what I was saying.
What were you saying? What were you saying?
I was finishing the video.
Oh, till the next one. Bye, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and tell everybody about us. Sorry. I'm not very good at this. Bye.
No, you're not going far. You got to unwrap these Avis padlocks.
What?
Come on. Come.
Say what?
You need this.
No, I don't.
Y'all know what she needs. This and this.
I need medication. I don't like this. I don't like this. You want a haircut?
I just got a haircut.
Want another one?
There's a little area sticking up right here, though.
Come here. Everybody needs a good trim.
Watch, she's running with scissors.